unidentified gunmen reportedly shot dead a man in between Kangchuk Foothills and Kangchuk Chiru in Kaithen Malmby area late last night. The deceased has been identified as Dem Khohau Kipgen of Boljang village. Further details are awaited. Thangmeiban United Club has imposed a total shutdown in Thangmeiban area of Imphal West from early today. The ban will enforce till 6 a.m. tomorrow. The Joint Action Committee formed over the death of N. Babysana has warned that Manipur shutdown will be called if the state government fails to give a proper response in connection with the death of Ningthaujam Babysana Chanu. The death toll of Japanese encephalitis in Assam has reached 110, a report said. The registered positive Japanese encephalitis cases across the state has increased to 477. State Health Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma has ordered that all the doctors, ASA workers and nurses will not get leave till the month of September 2019 and cannot take casual leave of 15 days during this period. The Working Committee of Naga National Political Groups said that the citizenship of Nagas is totally vested within the village authority, and no one without certification of origin from any village or parent village can be enrolled into the records of the Nagaland government. Boris Johnson is expected to be elected leader of Britain's governing Conservative Party and the country's next Prime Minister. Johnson, a former London mayor who resigned as Foreign Minister a year ago over May's Brexit plans, is the clear favourite to replace her, with several polls putting him on around 70%.